everybody, it's Dynamite Jack from HugeGamer.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install and upgrade the RAM inside of the 2010 Mac Mini. If you want to see how much RAM you have before you begin, you can just click on the Apple logo in the upper left of the screen and then select About This Mac. You can see that I currently have 2 gigs of RAM, but by the time we're done today, we'll have the maximum of 8. So let's get going. If you buy your RAM and have it installed by Apple, it's quite expensive, so I buy mine from Otherworld Computing. I have no affiliation, I just like the RAM, and they make it very easy. You want to make sure that you get DDR3 PC3 8500 RAM. To open up your Mac Mini, you just flip it upside down. And you find these 2 little grooves that you can put your thumbs in on either side. Then you gently push down and twist it to the left. The circular lid comes off and now you have access to the inside of the unit. There's some basic illustrations of what you're going to need to do. This RAM is stacked, so you have to take off the top one first. Twist it around to make it easier, and you'll notice on either side there are these 2 silver tabs. Right here. And you're going to want to push outward gently, and the RAM will pop up. It's spring-loaded. And you delicately just yank it out. And do the same with the bottom one. This one's slightly trickier, just because it's harder to get to. Might take you an extra second, but it's the same process. Just be patient and you'll get it. So now that the original sticks are out, let's take a look at where we're going to be putting the new ones. It's pretty straightforward. You'll notice that there's a small groove. And you want to make sure it's lined up with the gap before you push it in. Start with the bottom one first this time. And again, it's a little difficult to get to, but you push it in till you hear it click. And then just press it down till it's secure. Same thing with the top one. Make sure it's lined up. Push it till it clicks. And then press it down. Last but not least, you're going to put the protective cover back on. This time you're going to turn it to the right. Then you're finished. That's all there is to it. So finally, we're going to check to see that the RAM is recognized. Just go back to About This Mac. And you can see it now says we have 8 gigabytes of memory, so the installation was successful. All in all, this is an extremely easy procedure that you can do by yourself in just a few minutes and increase the performance of your Mac Mini. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.